Hi friends, I'm Luna. Let's sing together.
Oh no, look around, toys are everywhere. Luna looks around the room at the toys upon the floor. Clap, tap, tap, time to clean today. Pick, 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 pick it up, put the toys away. Luna picks her teddy bear with a gentle smile. Blocks go in the toy box, one by one inside. Books go on the little shelf, cars go in their place. Luna smiles so happily with her happy face. Clean up, everybody sing. Clean up, let's clean everything. Clap your hands, spin around. Look how clean our room is now. Stack, stack, stack the blocks slowly, one by one. Push the little toy train back when the play is done. Balls go in the basket, dolls sit in the chair. Luna cleans so carefully with love and care. Can you pick it up? Pick, pick, pick. Can you stack the blocks? Stack, stack, stack. Can you clap your hands? Clap, clap, clap. Great job, friends. Clean up, toys are put away. Clean up, we cleaned up today. Luna smiles so bright in the cozy room tonight. Bye bye toys, bye bye friends. See you again tomorrow.
Subscribe